Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about nutmeg, and I have a list of foods that are known to go well with nutmeg. So if you're looking for some recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the way of protein foods, and that includes legumes, nuts and seeds, we have beef, chicken, eggs, ham, meat in general, pecans, pork, and sausage. Interesting list. In the way of vegetables, there's carrots, greens like dark leafy greens, mushrooms, potatoes, spinach, squash as in winter squash, sweet potatoes, and yams. In the way of fruits that go well with nutmeg, there's apples, bananas, fruit in general, and that includes fresh and dried fruits, and lemon, and also pumpkin. In the way of grains and grain products, there's rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's cheese like cheddar cheese, pecorino, and ricotta cheese. Also coconut milk, cream, and milk in general. That could be dairy milk and non-dairy milk as well. In the other foods category, there's chocolate and vanilla. Sounds like goodie time to me. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.